Kum shibenta ban pazuto palba alo kajing ma jong kenyang jing pang HIV bat ke AIDS ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society rengkat kajing trailang bakatanat ka koi ka kya ka sarkar Meghalaya. Kala rakhe ka World AIDS Day arhajar opsau ha ka SRGT parking lot Apollo Shillong. Ha ka jing dan lang Commissioner Secretary katanat ka koi ka kya ujuram beda kum kongsan nang ta UTG Moment Joint Secretary katanat ka koi ka kya Dr. W. Langste Project Director ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong kikena school bat kiwe. Habagran na ganing asngi nagalang Commissioner Secretary katanat ka koi ka kya ulong baman ka snem na jupenlong ya kaning program bat kalong ban penpriang ya kajing tip lor kajing ma jok yang jingpang HIV bam na kajing hikai ni kabanta baneda na ganing kajing pang ulong ba kalong beren kam man pikir ila dia nu kunyang bat kumjo ban kershan ru iki breu ki em bat nu kunyang ula kedau bahaga jela na kaliang sarkar kelabo ya ki ICTC Center bat kumjo iki jaka sumar ki ba om dan kam ban sio bag sarkar kanang panbahasusu iki ni jaka sumar akan ngasngi la samru iki kusnam shik samla ibleshim bata ki jing kop drodor poster bat ka jing shandur.
Deliberation and discussion should remain alive amongst the youngsters. As I mentioned in the beginning of my speech, it's mostly due to innocent actions that leads to serious consequences. And that's why the peers must always keep the discussions alive. Today we all know how the disease spreads. It's by the exchange of body fluids. But then it's not just an exchange of body fluids. There are various statistical chances of spreading through various modes. And the highest that I know of is the intravenous drug users, the exchange of blood. And that is where we need to focus a lot. This is a niche group which needs more attention. The casual talks between the peers, that nothing will happen, this is brotherhood, let's exchange needles. These kind of innocent actions leads to very serious effects later on. And that's why the narrative has to be changed. Let us resolve to act on the World AIDS Day. Let us resolve to support all the people living with HIV/AIDS, and let us also carry on the movement to ensure that the disease does not spread. In Meghalaya, we have a prevalence of 0.43%. We have about 4 ART centers, 3 ICTC mobile centers, and 32 standalone ICTC centers. And the treatments are available free of cost. We also have counseling. The government has done everything that is required. And if there is more to be done, we shall certainly do it. I will also take this opportunity to recognize the efforts of all our health workers across the state. The reason why we are facilitating so many of our health workers is because they are also one of those groups which are prone to the infection. When they are handling human blood for laboratory purposes, many times there is something called a needle prick, and that also can lead to a spread of the disease. And I salute the bravery of our frontline health workers who are continuously endeavoring to provide health services to the people of Meghalaya.